Hi my friends, let's make simple, yet delicious tomato pilau in a cooker. Heat some oil in the cooker. Add cinnamon pepper cloves and a bay leaf. Add crushed garlic fry with. Add 1 red onion and saute till it's translucent. Add curry leaves. Now add green chilies as desired. Next add ginger paste and saute till done. Add 2 chopped tomatoes or tomato paste and fry till tomatoes are soft and mushy. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add half teaspoon turmeric and half teaspoon cumin powder. Next add vegetable bouillon and salt as per taste. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of curry powder as desired. Now add 1½ cup jasmine or basmati rice and fry for 2 minutes. Add double the quantity of water and let it come to a boil. Cover and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles on medium heat. Once done, open and gently stir rice. Serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more recipes.